But you have to go take a bath first.
No,
Why not?
I don't want to.
But you're dirty.
No, I'm not dirty.
You're not?
Yeah,
I think so. We have to wash your hair.
I don't.
Your hair is dirty.
And my body?
And your body. You have to wash your body too.
I don't want to.
Why not?
I don't want to play with you.
You want to play? Okay, after we give you a bath.
No,
Honey, your hair is dirty.
I don't want to.
Why not?
Stay here.
You want to stay? You can come back after you take a bath, okay?
No,
Why not?
I want to check.
You want to do a checkup? Okay, you can do a checkup on Mommy after you eat them.
No,
You're dirty. We have to wash your hair.
no,
Why?
I want to stay here.
But why can't you wash your hair? Because why?
Huh?
Why can't we wash your hair?
Die?
Huh?
Will it die?
We have to wash your hair, honey. It's dirty.
No, it's not dirty. It's clean.
It's not clean, honey.
It's clean.
It's not clean.
No, it's clean.
What about your body? We have to wash your body. It's not clean.
It's clean.
It's dirty.
It's clean.
Why can't you go take a bath?
I want bubbles.
Okay, we'll give you bubbles.
After I go down?
Yeah, we'll give you
No.
bubbles after you go them.
No.
We'll give bubbles in the shower, okay?
No, I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Okay, we give you warm water.
No.
I'll give you marshmallows.
I can want marshmallows. I want chocolate.
You want what?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. If we give you chocolate, you go them, okay? Okay? Yeah? Deal? Deal? Elise, deal? Okay, you go them now.